If I'm correct, we are heading to the Pancake House. And is it also here in Almont or is
It's in Middleville.
okay?
So just like you, I was wondering, what's a pancake house? Do they only serve pancakes?
What it is, it's an old community hall,
Mm-hmm.
and they're having a pancake breakfast fundraiser.
Okay.
That's where we went for the fair.
Ah,
Fair.
okay. I remember. Yeah. Okay.
So they do these community breakfasts and community suppers just to raise money for fundraisers. Is that what? That's what maintains the buildings.
Because they don't get any government money to fix the building up.
Okay.
It's all volunteer.
Okay.
Same as this building, this red building here, it's the very same. It's all belongs to the town, but the community looks after it. And they'll have pancake breakfast and everything.
This particular building.
So is it done on a monthly basis or it's
Just whenever they do a pancake breakfast, I can't remember when, they do a strawberry social, a blueberry social. You watch the for the
okay?
days.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're loving this Canadian vlogs, hit that like button. And today's stop is a really special one. We're having breakfast at a local pancake house. If you are new, stick around for more cozy vlogs like this. I'm going to show you where we're going to have breakfast. It's in Middleville. It's sunny, but it's a bit chilly. The weather keeps changing, you know.
Bring your car up. Right here, ma'am. Thank you.
That's a beautiful day.
All right.
So it's still 12 or
No,
they're decreasing, eh?
but one of them.
So this is country music, right? Country music.
I grew up with this, but my dad read a radio, and that's all we had at home, read a radio. And my dad at night we were done milking the cows, all the work was done. And we did it, then my dad would turn on the radio, we listened to Wheeling, West Virginia, which was this type of music, or which was in the state, or he listened to big band music like Sky Lombard or Lawrence Welk, I don't know if you're familiar with those. Or he listened to
The Pancake House isn't just for pancakes. They've got all your favorite Canadian breakfasts like eggs, bacon, sausages, and hash browns. It's self-service, so you can pile your plate however you like it. And the best part, you get to enjoy it all with some live country music in the background.
well, we're going to we'll go to Old Town, and then we'll go to Burns Town, and then we'll go to Oak Town, and California, and Burns Town. Three little villages. you can colors, they might not be maple. Like these are poplar and cedar and there's different types of trees.
Yeah.
Oak trees, they turn yellow. So, and not all the maple trees turn yellow or turn red either. Some year they might turn yellow and some year they might turn red. So it's always different from year to year.
Okay.
And there are different types of maple trees. So some of the maple trees will turn a yellow color, and the sugar maples they get maple syrup from and turn usually bright red. Like those are maple trees there. Those are turning yellow.
It was such a lovely morning with good food, good music, and you can only find that cozy small town charm in places like this. Also, if you haven't already, check out my previous video where we went to the peeping and enjoy the stunning forest.
Ideal driving conditions. I mean, no wet roads, no snow, roads are dry, and you have to drive according to conditions. When you go over,
There's the one on the left hand side. They would have built one that size for the whole family. And the trees, they cut down the trees, and that's all they had. The logs, right? All done by
The
hand.
family were made of how many people?
That
The family.
could be 5, could be 10.
and then they had an outside outhouse for washing, for toilet.
After breakfast, we continued our adventure driving through the beautiful fall scenery on our way to our next stop in Oakville. You definitely don't want to miss that. It was absolutely beautiful. Stay tuned for that video.